I'm back for another short video, this time on aloe vera. I had a question about it, my opinion on it, so let's just talk about it. So aloe is very nutrient dense. It has a lot of minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients. It's primarily good for two things. One, sunburn or acne. Okay, so it's good for the skin. Also, it can help psoriasis in the scalp and digestion. Specifically, things like acid reflux or GERD, ulcers, and inflammation, as in Crohn's, IBS, celiac, things like that. And it's also really good for constipation because it can act as a laxative. You just want to make sure if you're getting aloe that you don't get the version with a lot of preservatives and chemicals. You want to get it as natural and as concentrated as possible. It also has antibacterial effects. It's good for your blood sugars, good for the hair, it's good for the immune system, and it has anti-fungal properties. But here's the thing. Anytime you take any remedy, I don't care what it is, you're treating the symptom. You're not really getting rid of the cause. So when you do research on aloe, it's mixed all over the place. Why? Because of the big variable on someone's diet. If your diet sucks because it's filled with garbage, this remedy will not work. And this is really the basic problem of medicine. It focuses on symptoms, not underlying causes. Now, I can see if you get sunburn, right? This will work great on your skin because sunburn is not a dietary deficiency of something. But just as a side note, if you do have a burn, one really good remedy is vitamin D. Now, normally you get vitamin D from the sun, but you don't want to get any more sun if you're burned. But if you take vitamin D, it actually clears up sunburn pretty quick. That's just a side note. But I would recommend aloe vera and a lot of other remedies only after you fixed your diet, okay? Because chances are you probably won't even need this once you fix the diet. And I think people in general, especially in the medical field, do not connect the dots between all these symptoms that they're having and getting the diet corrected. If you're new to my channel and you don't know about keto and intermittent fasting, I put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.